BNB, we start with 1 hour charges. I want to give a quick update. First of all, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And even in my last analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned we have to book the profit for those traders to get the trade within this move because we are expecting to get the correction. And how deep that correction can be, we need to wait and see. Because from what we can see based on the indicators, we had the divergence, and this is what we get. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what's the next and how we can look for the next trade. Anyway, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. And the only things based on daily chart we're looking for, we want to see whether the price can break 478 or not. Okay, rather than that, based on daily chart, we have nothing else to discuss. And if we move to forward chart, we have been looking for the first level as a 420, which we can see the price broke. Right now we're looking for the 445 because we need to see the breakout of this one, which is the previous stop. And with the breakout of 445, we're looking for 478, which I just now I mentioned based on daily chart. That's why we mentioned we need to see the breakout of the 445, all right, because we need to see the conform to see the breakout of this correction. Anyway, if this one turns the correction deeper one, it is good for us as well because we can look for continuation. And as we can see, if we refer to the indicators, is already overbought, right? Anyway, we have nothing to discuss more than what I mentioned based on daily chart and sorry, based on forward chart, and we don't have any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, the only thing says we need to see again, we need to see the breakout of 445. And how to look for the trade. If you want to look at this one as a correction relative to this, the best things is if the price at least drop to somewhere around 420, then any reversal as a sharp move flag, we will take it because we want to see whether the price can break 420, and if yes, then from there I will give update how deep it can go. All right. Anyway, how about if the price continues as a corrective from here? We just let it go. Mostly we cannot get a really good trade setup, and it can give us followed by a divergence, which we don't like it. And how about if the price continues a short move? The only way is to put our entry either above here or above here, and it depends on the traders how they want to manage it. Because in that case, I mean, if you want to put have entry above the stop, what we want is the price sharply break and continue. And we need, as long as the price break 445, you move our stop loss to break even. But how about if the price tag followed by divergence give us one more drop? That's why if you want to put our entry above the top, if it didn't move in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. But what I prefer to see the price retest the previous low, which is somewhere around 420. Then from there, we take the reversal as a short move flag. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.